My name is Sean Murphy. I'm a professor of international law at George Washington University in Washington, D.C., where I teach international law and U.S. foreign relations law. Prior to joining the faculty at George Washington University, I spent 11 years as a lawyer for the U.S. Department of State, where I did a lot of work relating to law of war issues, use of force issues, and international dispute settlement. In the course of my career, I've spent quite a bit of time working on cases before international courts and tribunals, mostly involving interstate disputes, but sometimes also involving international criminal law matters, such as before the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia. One particular part of my work today is as a member of the UN International Law Commission. The ILC, as it is known, is sometimes referred to as the legal think tank of the United Nations. We are 34 individuals nominated and elected by governments, but who serve in our individual expert capacity. Currently, one of our topics is on crimes against humanity, and I serve as the special rapporteur for that topic. The goal in our work is to develop a draft convention on the prevention and punishment of crimes against humanity. The idea is to get states, perhaps, to join a new treaty that would require them to adopt national laws criminalizing crimes against humanity, to exercise jurisdiction over offenders under those laws, and to allow for greater interstate cooperation on issues such as extradition and mutual legal assistance. This is an important area for a new treaty because at present we have a gap in the field of international law. We have a treaty on genocide called the Genocide Convention. We have treaties addressing serious war crimes in the form of the 1949 Geneva Conventions. But we have no standalone treaty focused specifically on crimes against humanity and on the ways in which we might improve national capacity in addressing those crimes. There's a link here with the issue of the crime of aggression and the use of force, which is that when unlawful uses of force take place, they often happen in a context where crimes against humanity occur, meaning a widespread or systematic attack against a civilian population that involves matters such as murder, forced disappearance, torture, persecution, and other inhumane acts. So to the extent that we can improve on the way that we deal with crimes against humanity, we may also find another way of addressing unlawful uses of force.